Hello, welcome to my kitchen where tradition meets flavor. Today, we are diving into the heart of local cuisine with a special treat, Ojojo, a delicious water yam cake that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. This mouth-watering snack, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, is best enjoyed hot and fresh. Stick around. I take you step by step through making this irresistible delicacy. Let's get cooking. Okay, these are my ingredients for the yam cake. I have my dried habanero pepper, but I'm using the fresh one. I also have salt for taste. I also have my spring onion. It's very fresh. Then I have vegetable oil for frying. And here comes the main ingredient, my water yam. Okay, let's start by cutting the yam and peeling it. I'm going to use just half of the yam. I'll cut the yam into sizes that I can peel. Sorry for the noise at the background. I'm cooking with a pressure cooker. There are different types of water yam. This one is the white type and is the best to use. So I have all my yam peeled and washed now. Okay, it's time to grate. I'll make use of the side with the tiniest hole. I hold my yam against the grater, applying a little pressure so as to make it easy for the yam to squeeze out its paste. You can also use blender. Cut the yams into small tiny pieces and put it in your blender, but you will not need to add water. Why? Because adding water, since water yam already have high content of water, it will spoil the shoe and make it soak in oil while frying. So I decided to make use of grater. Do you have a new recipe for water yam? Let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll try it too. After grating this water yam, I love to keep it for like half an hour or 1 hour thereabout for the water content to evaporate, and after which it solidifies, then I can start cooking. So I finish grating my water yam. So after grating, I neatly scooped out the water yam paste from my grater, and I will allow it to sit for 1 hour so that the water content in this water yam will evaporate and I'll have a solid paste. You can fry it directly, but if done that way, especially when the water yam is fresh from the farm, you are not going to enjoy the cake. The cake will be so soft that it will soak in so much oil. So after 1 hour, I'm back now. I want to mix in the ingredients. Here is where the magic happens. Adding your seasoning is a personal touch. I like to keep it simple, but you can definitely get creative here. So I'll add a little quantity of oil, enough for me to fry the cake. while I get back to mixing it up. So you can just taste it with your hand like I'm doing. You can definitely get creative here. Some people add little fish or shrimps, which add a whole new layer of flavor. But for me, this simple ingredient is enough. Because adding too much ingredient will make your cake to soak in oil while frying. I missed out the clip where I did the mixing, so just follow the instruction to mix it up. Don't overdo. So it's time for frying now. I gently scoop out the paste into the hot oil and fry. Oh, I wish you are here. Your aroma here is top notch. It's ready. It's fine. It's solid. It looks golden and inviting. That is why I said you should allow your paste to dry so that you have something strong like this. If you fry it immediately after grating, it's going to look mushy. But for this one, look at how it came out. What a golden goodness. Wow. And there you have it. A plate full of delicious ojojo. Look at the golden crispies, packed with flavor, perfect for snacking, sharing with friends, or you can enjoy it with a hot drink on a cool day or a cold drink on a hot day. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes coming your way. It's time to eat. I want to test it. Are you there? Wow. What's the key? Soft inside. It's delicious. It's yummy. Let me know in the comment section, how do you like your yam cake? Spicy, plain, or with special twist? Thanks for cooking with me today, and I will see you in my next video.